Saber has changed from what it was to me. Originally, it was about money. It was about selfish reasons to start a business. As your company grows and people rely on you and the company, that mindset has changed. I see Saber now as a tool to help people through their own goals.
Saber to me is a part of my life now. At the beginning it was a job, but this is my second family. It hasn't taken over my life, it has become a part of my life.
We originally started as South Coast Grinding. We realized when we opened up an office in Bay Area, that name wouldn't work. It would be Bay Area Concrete Grinding. So we wanted to come up with a very easy name. We started our company in 1985-86, right when the Mac computer came out. The operating systems of Mac were a lot of cats that went through. That was during the time when we were looking for a new name. So that has a little bit of a reason why we chose Saber, because that was the largest cat you can get, the saber-toothed tiger. For us, it just seemed to be strong, bold, and naturally didn't have a geographical location or a service. So that's how we came to the name Saber.
Get in your hospital bucket. Your follow-ups, keep up on your
The
follow-ups.
leadership is great. We have an awesome captain, pilot, whatever you want to call him. He honestly cares about every employee. He cares about the customers. It's not about the bottom dollar. With that aspect, he is doing his best to make this company grow in a successful way to where we are all growing. My favorite part is the wow service every time. And my guys do it, and they believe it. They do the highest quality work, and they wow their customers every time. That is our mission, and they are doing it.
By having that mission statement and telling our production and sales, the wow service, and have them, each one of them memorizing our mission statement, and then seeing everybody from call center follow it to sales, production. They're seeing it over and over, so it starts getting ingrained to where you can't sand it out. So it's part of their everyday. They see that Saber doesn't just put it up on the wall, but we're ingraining it into every department, and we do believe we're helping our customers.
The team here is a pretty tight-knit team. I can honestly say I believe everybody loves coming to work here. They all get along great.
I enjoy having a good group of people that want to work together. I enjoy watching that happen and to see what we accomplish and see the company grow. What do I want Saber to be for my employees? A place to have fun, a place to grow personally, and a place to bring home income for their family. We never had a structured sales program. We didn't have a structured production process, and even the appointment center. And I've never realized that until the move over to FSI. I've seen how having each of these departments use the same language, same ideas, has helped the flow through the jobs, plus the reviews we're getting from our customers have changed. It's amazing how the entire company worked so well together. So that was really neat to see that each department is following our idea, having continuity all the way through. So that really changed our business to go from 2 crews going out every day to 10 crews going out every day, and to where are we in 5 years? It's big. So decisions they made affected my life so much. Then to see that they're such good people, it's nice to be in amongst them.